So, if there's a negative in front, we have to distribute the negative. If there's a positive in front, then we leave them alone. So here, first set of parentheses just going to stay the same. W squared plus 6W plus 5. Here I have that negative. So negative times a positive makes that negative 9W squared. Negative times a positive makes that a negative 4W. Negative times a negative, going to change that to a plus 1. Last set has the plus sign in front, so that just stays positive 4W squared plus 5. So once I distribute out my negative, now I can combine my like terms. So 1 minus 9 plus 4, those are all my W squareds, right? 1 minus 9 plus 4 would give me negative 4W squared, yep. And then I look for my plain W's. I have a 6W minus a 4W. Since the third term didn't have a plain W, 6W minus 4W would be
Plus 2W.
plus 2W. And then my constant terms, I have a 5 plus a 1 plus another 5. Plus 11. So negative 4W squared plus 2W plus 11. Now on Alex, they're going to have you line them up a little straighter instead of hopping all over. So I'm going to rewrite this one the other way in case you like to do it that way. Again, the first one's going to stay the same. So 4y squared plus 5y plus 6. This one has a plus sign in front, so all of those will be the same. Negative 5y squared plus 9y minus 8. This one has the minus in front, so I've got to do the opposite of those. So what am I going to have? Positive 8y squared and minus 7. And notice I'll put the minus 7 way on the end so that all their like terms line up nice and neat, since they didn't have any y's in the middle. And that way it's easier to see what goes together if you line them up that way. 4 minus 5 plus 8 would give me
Negative 9?
no,
7y squared.
7y squared. 4 minus 5 would be negative 1. Negative 1 plus 8 is a positive 7y squared. 5 plus 9
Plus 14y.
plus 14y,
Minus 9.
and then minus 9. 6 minus 8 minus 7 would be minus 9. So 7y squared plus 14y minus 9. The other thing to watch out for, and you probably know this by now, is when you've got that squared to make sure you hit the space bar or click down so all the stuff doesn't end up in the exponent. I see people doing that a lot, especially when they're in a hurry.
I didn't see how you're doing that. I just did it how I did it the first time.
Oh, that works too. Just giving you some options. So, number 12 here. Simplifying that, we're subtracting and adding, and so first one's going to stay the same. 2u squared minus 7u minus 4. The second one we have to do the opposite, so what are we going to have?
Minus 5u, minus 4u, minus 6.
So minus 5u squared, a minus 4u, and a minus 6. Last one has the plus sign in front, so they stay the same. So we have a positive 3u squared, and then again they'll put the plus 1 with the constant terms. And so if we add those together, 2u squared minus 5u squared plus 3u squared,
U squared.
no, because u squared is 1u squared, right?
So it'd just be 0.
Is 0, so it's just gone, right? Cancels out. So if you get 0, you just leave it off. negative 7u minus 4u.
Negative 11u
Negative 11u, and then negative 4 minus 6 plus 1,
minus 9.
minus 9. So just negative 11u minus 9. (13, 14, and 15) we are now multiplying.